Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious coleslaw for fish tacos. First, let's talk about the foundation. The cabbage. You'll want to choose a small, firm head of green or red cabbage. For the best texture, finely shred about 4 cups of cabbage. A mandolin slicer works wonders for achieving uniform, thin strips, but a sharp knife will also do the trick. This fine shred is crucial for a coleslaw that blends seamlessly with your fish taco fillings. Next up is the heart of our coleslaw, the zesty dressing. In a medium bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. The lime juice adds that essential bright, tangy kick. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar to balance the flavors. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, ready to coat our shredded cabbage. Now, let's elevate our coleslaw with some fantastic flavor and texture additions. To your shredded cabbage, add about 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. It provides a lovely, subtle crunch and a hint of sharpness. Fresh cilantro is a must for fish tacos, so stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Gently toss everything to combine. The final, crucial step is to let your coleslaw chill. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or even up to a few hours. This resting time is essential because it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and the cabbage to soften just slightly, achieving the perfect texture. When your fish tacos are ready, spoon a generous amount of this vibrant, creamy coleslaw on top for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.